The local fried chicken in Saudi Arabia is so popular, sometimes police cars are called in to control the crowd. Albaik is Saudi's most obsessed over fast food restaurant chain with more than 140 outlets. When you think about visionary chain operators like Howard Schultz and Ray Kroc and Hassan and Abrami Abu Ghazala, the two Palestinian brothers behind the Albaik success. He started back in 1974 with their father, Dad Shakur. He opened a broast restaurant and used a healthy method to called broasting and prepare crispy fried chicken. But 2 years later, Shakur passed away and leaving his two sons behind. The two brothers fight off hundreds of copycat businesses before they finally get a trademark of Albaik. The both of them see a massive growth opportunity in pilgrims visiting Saudi and began serving during Hajj season out of a temporary outlet. The company took off so during the high peak pilgrim season and Albaik outlet would serve 250,000 meals per day, more than any global food chain. The two brothers built on the success and turned Albaik into a massive fan-based brand, attracting massive crowds whenever a new outlet is open and even causing a tempest. Rami and Hassan also donate 1 Saudi Riyal for every meal sold to carry their dad's charitable legacy forward. On this, Albaik remains open, a most loved homegrown restaurant chains and one of the biggest success story of their